Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel CRAFTI. And guys, in today's video I'm gonna make a puzzle. So firstly, smash the like button and let's get started.
The things you need is a bottle of glue, scissor, cardboard pieces and craft paper to cover our puzzle.
So guys, firstly take a piece of cardboard and now take another piece of cardboard and cut it like this, and there should be some space on the top, and now stick it. And now take another piece of cardboard and make boxes on it and make sure that it fits inside our puzzle. And now paste a drawing on the back of the piece of cardboard and now cut it. After sticking it, let's cover it. So guys, after covering it, take all the pieces and place it inside our puzzle base. So guys, after placing it, I will show you how to move it. Like this or like this. So like this you can scramble this puzzle and play this with your friends or your family. So guys, now our puzzle is ready, and comment down below about your thoughts on this puzzle. So guys, this was all for today's video, and if you like my puzzle, so click on the like button and on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more uploads and share this video to your friends. So see you soon in my next video.